Miao Star's Weight Loss Diary. As a Miao Star cat, I find my body resembling a balloon, getting rounder and rounder. I've made up my mind. It's time for a weight loss battle. I strive to control my diet, only eating healthy foods each day. Every day at the gym, I run, lift weights. Whenever I feel tired, I remind myself, I must keep going. Finally, after several months of hard work, I successfully reached my goal. It's amazing. So, with enough perseverance and effort, anyone can successfully lose weight. Look at my current body. Isn't it great?